Welcome everybody. We're going to break down glycolic acid. We're going to talk about what it is, why it's important to use it, and who should be using it and who shouldn't be using it. So get out your notebooks and let's begin. First things first, glycolic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid. The abbreviation for it is AHA. It's water soluble, meaning that it breaks through the sebum and the sweat on the skin, and it has the smallest molecules, meaning that it penetrates into the subdermal layers of the skin. Out of all the alpha hydroxy acids, glycolic acid has the smallest molecule, meaning it goes deepest. The best benefit glycolic acid is good for is texture. So it's going to help to improve the texture, but it's also going to help to reduce dullness in the skin. It's going to help to minimize fine lines, and it's going to help to minimize hyperpigmentation too. So let's give an example of two glycolic acid products that both have 5% glycolic acid in it. One has a pH level of 3 and the other has a pH level of 7. So the one that has a pH level of 3 is going to be stronger because lower pH means more acidity. The one that has a pH of 7 is going to be more neutral, which means that it's not as strong as a product. So always keep that in mind when you're working with different acids in the skin, when it comes to different skincare products, and when it comes to different professional products that you're using inside your treatment room. Now, glycolic acid does pose the biggest hyperpigmentation risk when it comes to darker skin tones, specifically Fitzpatrick scales from 4 to 6. So you want to be super mindful here, okay? You also want to be super mindful when it comes to using it on super sensitive skin, anybody who has an impaired barrier, anybody who's really dry and or dehydrated. And so you want to focus on repairing the barrier first, restoring the moisture levels in the skin. And then after that, if you or your client is a candidate for using glycolic acid, then of course, by all means use it. The people that it would work best for is anybody who has normal, oily, combination skin, anybody who's working with aging issues, textural issues, acne scars, large pores, stretch marks. All of those people are a really great candidate for glycolic acid, but always just remember and consider the pH levels and the percentage of the product and how it's being used on the skin. Now, I work with both estheticians and clients, so if you're an esthetician and you want to learn about advanced skincare, I highly recommend going to get on my email list that's in my bio. I have updates that's going to be coming out about my esthetician mentorship program, which I would get on. And if you're somebody who just wants to take better care of their skin, I also have a virtual guided skincare program where I will help you get to your skin goals. That is also in my booking link in my bio, and you can go ahead and book a free virtual skin consultation with me there. Much love, and we'll be talking about lactic acid next, so stay tuned.